Good morning, students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus, which is Introduction to Trigonometric. And in previous class we discussed about the topic that formula for the trigonometric ratios for complementary angles. Now, in that class we are going to discuss about the topic trigonometric identities, which is very important for you and your upcoming examination. So there are we discuss about the topic trigonometric identities, which is very important topic related to the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. In previous class we discussed about some important relationship between trigonometric ratios, which is sine theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to what? 1 upon sine theta. Second one, tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta. So cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. This is plus cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. So dear student, in previous classes we discussed all the important relationship. This is the relationship between the trigonometric ratios, okay, in previous classes, and we take and solve some important question based on these formulas, okay. And two other important identities are what? Tan theta is equal to what? Sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta is equal to what? Cos theta upon sin theta. We also discuss about that identities, okay. And this is the relationship between the trigonometric ratios, and we take and solve some important question based on that topic. Now, in that class we are going to discuss about the topic trigonometric identities, which is very important topic related to your chapter. So there are some important trigonometric identities are, first one is what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the very important relationship. This is the very important identities as formula, you can say that. Or from there we can also write, if we transfer sin square theta that side, so we can write 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta is equal to what? Cos square theta. Or we transfer cos square theta that side, so we also write 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. So this is the relationship between sin square and cos square. This is very important formula related to the topic trigonometric identities, okay. First identities is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Or from there we can write 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta, or we can write 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. So all these are very important algebraic identities, okay. Now, so dear student, you learn only that identities, and you find 1 minus sin square theta and 1 minus cos square theta using that formula, okay. Second one is what? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. This is also a very important algebraic identities related to the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. So here let's see, from there we can also find a very important relations. Dear student, if we transfer tan square theta that side, so we get sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So this is the very important identities. So please learn 1 plus tan square theta as sec square theta. So from there you can find that. And also we write, if we transfer 1 that side, so we get sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. This is also a very important algebraic identities. So these two are very important algebraic identities. Now next one, 1 plus cot square theta. Yes, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to what? 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Okay, and from there we also find a very important relationship between them is what? If we transfer cot square theta that side, so we get cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, and also if we transfer 1 that side, so we get cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. So there are three very important algebraic identities. So please just first of all you learn all these formula very carefully. After that you can solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on trigonometry, these identities. Okay, this is very important formulas. So please learn all that formulas which we discuss in that just a class. In that class, so first identities is what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So from there you also obtain these two identities. Next one, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So from there you also find these two identities. Similarly, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So from there you find also these two relationship between very important relations between trigonometric ratios. Okay, so please learn all that identities. Now we take and solve some important questions of your syllabus based on these trigonometric identities. Let's see. Now prove the following identities. Your question is prove the following identities, and first part of this question is one minus sin square theta into sec square theta is equal to 1. Second one, cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. Third one, 1 upon 1 minus sin square theta plus 1 plus sin theta plus 1 upon 1 minus sin theta is equal to 2 sec square theta, and last one, fourth is cosec square theta plus sec square theta is equal to cosec square theta into sec square theta. Let's see. This is very important questions of your syllabus based on algebraic trigonometric identities. Now we take and solve each part of this question. First of all, we take the first part of this question and solve it. First part is 1 minus sin square theta into sec square theta is equal to 1. We have to show that this is equal to this. Now first of all we take left hand side. The left hand side is what? 1 minus sin square theta into sec square theta. Okay. Now, just I discuss about that identities. Since you know that, since we know that 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. We just discuss about that identities now. So from here we write as 1 minus sin square theta as what? Cos square theta. I into sec square theta write as it is. And you also know that cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. This is also discussed in all previous classes. And now from there we can write cos square theta as 1 upon sec square theta. And sec square theta write as it is. Sec square theta cancel to each other. So we get what? 1. This is your RHS. Hence proved. Okay. So look at this student. So in this way, so first of all you learn all the identities. After that you can solve each and every questions. Without learning that identity you can't solve any questions related to that topic. So please first you learn all the algebraic identities, trigonometric identities and solve that type of questions. In this, now we take and solve the second part of this question. Your second question is, we take LHS, left hand side, and we prove is equal to 1. So this is cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta. We take left hand side, and you know that since 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what? Sec square theta. So from there we write as cos square theta into, we write as sec square theta using that identities. Okay. Now from there you know that cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. Just I discussed about that. So here we write 1 upon sec square theta into, this is cancelled to each other, so we get 1. This is your RHS. Hence proved. Okay. So this is very easy question. So please learn first all the identities and solve in very easy way. Now we take and solve the next part of this question. Let's see. We take and solve the third part of this question, and we take the left hand side, means 1 upon, we take left hand side, so 1 upon 1 plus sine theta plus 1 upon 1 minus sine theta is okay. Now first of all we take the LCM of their denominator. So we take LCM is what? 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta. Now let's see, 1 plus sine cancel to each other. So 1 minus sine theta into 1 is 1 minus sine theta plus 1 minus sine theta cancel to each other. So we get 1 plus sine theta. Now sine theta cancel to each other. This is minus plus, and 1 what is 2 upon. This is the form of a plus b into a minus b. Here 1 minus sine, 1 plus sine, now 1 minus sine. So we can write a square means 1 square is 1 minus b square means sine square theta. And you know that 1 minus sine square theta is what? Cos square theta. So we write 2 upon cos square theta. So 2 into 1 upon cos square theta. And 1 upon cos square theta, you know that sec square theta. So 2 into sec square theta. This is your RHS. Hence proved. Okay. So please do more and more practices of that type of questions. Similarly, we take and solve the next last part of this question. And your last part we take left hand side, which is cosec square plus sec square. So first of all we convert it into the sine and cosine. So cosec theta is equal to, you know that cosec theta is what? 1 upon sine theta, na? And sec theta is equal to what? 1 upon cos theta. So here 1 upon sine square theta plus 1 upon cos square theta. We take LCM, sine square into cos square theta. So here we get cos square theta plus sine square theta, and sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 1 upon sine square theta into 1 upon cos square theta. 1 upon sine means what? Cos square theta into this is sec square theta. Hence proved RHS. Okay. So this is the process to solve that type of question. Now we take and solve some other important question based on these identities. Let's see. Now the question is, prove that prove that tan square theta minus 1 upon cos square theta is equal to minus 1. So let's see its solution. Dear friends, first of all, we know that the identity is what? We take LHS, left hand side, which is tan square theta minus 1 upon cos square theta. Since we know that 1 upon cos square theta is equal to what? Sec square theta. We have it. Okay. So and 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So from there we write, if we write sec square theta transfer that side, so we have tan square theta minus sec square theta, and 1 transfer that side is equal to minus 1. We can write now. So from there we have tan square theta minus 1 upon cos square theta is what? Sec square theta, or we can write sec square theta as 1 plus tan square theta. So here we put 1 plus tan square theta. Let's see. So in bracket we put 1 plus tan square. We break the brackets, or directly we can write minus 1. Okay, or you put sec square theta as what? 1 plus tan square theta. So from there tan square theta minus 1 minus tan square theta. So tan cancel to each other. We have minus 1. That is RHS. Okay. So in this way you can solve that type of question. Now we take and solve some other important question based on that topic. Let's see. And your question is, prove that the following identities. First is what? Sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta, and second one tan theta plus sin theta upon tan theta minus sin theta is equal to sec theta plus 1 and upon sec theta minus 1. So there are two very important algebraic identities. Now let's get solution, dear students. So first of all, we take and solve the first part of this question, and for first part of that we take left hand side. So we take left hand side, which is what? Sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta. This one we just know, we don't know any formula. 1 minus cos theta, we know that. 1 minus cos square theta, we know that. 1 minus cos theta, we don't know any identities. So for that, here we just multiply by the conjugate of its denominator in both the numerator and denominator. The conjugate of its denominator 1 minus cos theta is what? 1 plus cos theta. So here we must be multiply 1 plus cos theta in both the numerator and denominator. So we get what? 1 plus cos theta upon into 1 plus cos theta. So we get as sin theta into 1 plus cos theta upon 1 minus cos, 1 plus cos is what? A minus b into a plus b. So we can write 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. Because of this is a minus b, the form of into a plus b. So we using the identity a square minus a plus b into a minus b. We can write a square minus b square. A square means 1 square as 1. Minus b square means cos theta as cos square theta. Okay. Now, since we know that 1 minus cos square theta, using identity, 1 minus cos square theta is equal to what? Sin square theta. You know that, na? So from there, we put as sin theta into 1 plus cos theta is equal to upon, this is sin square theta. So sin theta, 1 sin theta cancel to each other. So we get what? 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta. But we have to show that cosec theta plus cos theta. So here we separate the terms. So we can write here 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta upon sin theta. We can separate in this way. We write 1 plus sin theta, 1 upon sin theta plus cos. If we take LCM, so we get this value. Okay. Now, you know that, dear students, 1 upon sin is what? Cosec. So we write as cosec theta plus cos upon sin. Cos upon sin theta is equal to cot theta. So here we write as cot theta. Hence, this is RHS. Hence proved. Okay. So dear student, this is the process to solve that type of question. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, so please dear students, do more and more practices. Now, similarly, we take and solve the second part of these questions. Let's see. Now, we take LHS. Tan theta plus sin theta upon tan theta minus sin theta. Dear students, we have to show that tan theta plus sin theta upon tan theta minus sin theta is equal to sec theta plus 1 upon sec theta minus 1. So in that type of question, so generally, basically, dear students, first of all, you convert all the trigonometric ratios in the form of sine and cosine. So this is a very important key to solve that type of questions. So generally, we convert all the trigonometric ratio in the form of sine and cosine. Here sine already in the form of sine and cosine. So we just convert tan into the sine and cosine. You know that tan theta is equal to sine upon cos theta. So here we use that identities. Means you know that since tan theta is equal to, we know that sin theta upon cos. So here we put that values. So here this is sin theta upon cos theta and plus sin theta, write as it is. Okay, and in denominator we write sin theta upon cos theta and minus sin theta. Write as it is. Now sin theta is common from the numerator, so we get 1 upon cos theta plus 1 here upon sin theta is common from the denominator, we get 1 upon cos theta minus 1. Now sin theta is what? Cancel to each other, and dear student, you know that 1 upon cos theta. 1 upon cos theta is what? Sec theta. So here we write sec theta plus 1 upon 1 upon cos is what? Sec theta. So here we write sec theta minus 1, and this is RHS, hence proved. Okay, so dear student, this is the process to solve that type of question. So please dear student, do more and more practices of that type of questions. First learn all the algebraic identities, after that you can solve all the questions based on this topic. Now we take and solve some other important question based on algebraic identities. And your question is, prove that your question is prove that cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta is equal to 2 sec theta. This is a very important question related to the topic trigonometric identities. Now let's see its solution. So we take left hand side, so we have what? Cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta. So first of all, we take cos theta as common from the numerator. Let's see. So if we take cos theta as common from the numerator, so we get 1 upon 1 minus sin theta plus here 1 upon 1 plus sin theta. Now we simplify these values by taking the LCM of their denominator. So we get as 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Okay, so 1 minus sin cancel to each other. So 1 plus sin into 1 is what? This is 1 plus sin theta plus 1 plus sin cancel to each other. 1 minus sin theta into 1, that is 1 minus sin theta. Okay, now let's see dear students, here this is plus sin theta, this is minus sin theta, is cancelled to each other. Okay, now 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is plus 2, so we get as what? Cos theta into 2 upon 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. So we get what? 2 cos theta upon. Now look, this is a minus b into a form of a plus b. So here we write 1 minus sin square theta. A square minus b square. A is what? 1 and b is what? Sin, na? So we write 1 minus sin square theta. So we get what? 2 cos theta. And you know that 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So we write as cos square theta. Cos, 1 cos cancel to each other. So we get 2 into 1 upon what? Cos theta. And you know that also 1 upon cos theta is what? Sec theta. So here we write 2 into sec theta. This is your RHS, hence proved. Thus, dear students, in this way you can solve that type of question. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of question. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on trigonometric identities. Now In next class, we take and solve some other important question based on trigonometric identities. Okay, now thanks to all.